Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to show you how will you make money by just learning how to code auto trading robot, and how can that save you money by just learning how to code auto trading robot, and how can you make money to fund your own account. Okay, so I'll start with the first thing. The first thing is, how can you make money by just learning how to code auto trading robot. Okay, I will go to MetaCode's market so that you can see the things that people are selling and the prices. You can just see $30,000, 500, like you can just, and people are buying. As you can see, this is the robot that someone made. Okay, people are buying. Like you can just calculate, if you sell this to 2 people, how much are you going to make? You understand? By just selling this one thing. Okay, so this is how you can make money. You can code your own auto trading robot, and then you come here and sell it like everyone else. They are doing it, understand? And they are making a lot of money. You can see $5,000, and most likely, if you can check, these are just basic things. You understand? It's not about making profit or what. You can see the guy just named this robot Waka Waka. If set just simple things, reversals. You can see market reversal. This auto trading robot is based on market reversals. The guy sold to 10 people, which made him $10.49. Okay, by just coding. And I'm teaching you this for free. I'm teaching you how to code these things for free. Okay, evening scalper, all those things. You can see the prices here, and then what you have to do is to subscribe to my channel and then learn how to code for free, and then come and then start selling your things here. Start making money without me. Okay, you won't even invite me. $30,000. The guy have five. You can calculate this into your currency, or multiply this by 5 and tell me how much this guy made by just coding. He didn't even have to understand what forex market does, but he knows how to code. Okay, so you can make money here. So let me show you again how to make money again. There's this website which is called Five or something. There are people who are using it. I don't know why, but there are people who are using it. Okay, I also have a profile here. I just created it here today. Just to create an auto trading robot for someone, you can charge as much as this. This is my currency. Okay, it's my local currency. You can search this thing on your own. Okay, if you can check this guy, he's simple saying, okay, develop EA indicator based on a simple strategy. This is his price. You can check this on your own. He doesn't even give you a source code. You know what is a source code? A source code is the whatever that they have used to program. I mean, this is too much price. I charge way less than this. Okay, and then for him to give you source codes, he's going to charge you 2.5 my local currency. Let me just show you in dollars. Okay, rands in dollars. Okay, 138, and you are the one who give him your own strategy. He doesn't give you his strategy, but then he is going to charge you for giving you the source code. Here he doesn't give you any source code. You understand? So you can make as much as this, you dig, by just learning. And the guy is even telling you that simple strategy, then he's going to charge you this much. So you can do the same thing. You can come here and post your profile And I'm teaching you all those things for free. I don't know what you are not giving me a like now. I know, like now you were supposed to give me 5 likes if that's possible, because I'm showing you this for free. You understand? This one, it doesn't, like, you can see the prices. Go to Fiverr and check the prices. So now we have this one again. I will develop having strategies, charging you. This one is better, safe. Yeah, that's better. But yeah, it also gives you source codes. But this price is still way worse than what I charge. Okay. So this is how you make money. You are either going to sell your robot on this market, or you are going to have your own file, because you can code, you can program. I've taught you how to do it. Okay, I'm forcing money in your pockets. And then how to save money. I've showed you how to make money 2 ways, which technically is not 2 ways. There are many ways, as long as you know how to program. So now I'm coming to how to save money. If you know how to do these things, you can actually test any strategy within few minutes before you lose money. Let's say they're telling you that moving average cross does work, it will make you a lot of money. Someone who doesn't know how to code that cross for himself is probably gonna use his money, put the money in the strategy, but you are going to save that money, because you are going to be able to do the back test and realize that this is a lie. Understand? Like, I don't know why are you not liking my video now? Give me a like, man. Just hit that like button. Okay, just hit it. So this is my channel. As you can see, it's even written your channel. Now I even have the app on Google Play, which helps you to create your own auto trading robot using just 2 indicators. And you buy it once, it's yours, you own it. There's no subscription, there's nothing. And while people are charging you way more, my app is even more cheap. These are my videos. I'm showing you this thing for free, and then you can use the same thing that I gave you for free to make money for yourself, and even to save money for yourself. You understand? So I don't know why you are not liking my video now. I don't know. And I don't know why you're not subscribing. Like, I don't know. But you have to, okay? That is the mandate. You have to. Okay? Thank you, guys. Give me a subscribe, like this, and then share with others, so that I can get the strength to keep on helping you on doing this. Because as you have seen, if you can really do this, you can make money by just knowing how to code. Let's say you failed on the trading part, but you can still make a lot of money by just learning how to code. And then you can code your own things, and you can test your strategy. Give me a like and give me a subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next